Hi guys, welcome back. Today, I'm taking you with me on my trip from Manila to Haneda in ANA Airlines Business Class. Let's see what the experience is like. Right after checking in, I headed straight to the PAGSS Lounge. The PAGSS Lounge is used by ANA Airlines for its business class passengers. It is also available to premium economy and first class passengers, as well as travelers with eligible lounge access cards. I believe the main lounge was under renovation during my visit, so we were directed to a smaller room that was still operating as the PAGSS Lounge. The staff was wonderful. They were polite, friendly, and very accommodating. They were also attentive, clearing away empty plates and glasses promptly, which made the experience even more enjoyable. Since there were only a few people in the lounge, it was quiet and relaxing. It was also easy to grab food at any time. There was a variety of drinks, dishes, and desserts to choose from, so it was a little hard to decide what to try first. Overall, I had a wonderful time at the lounge. I really enjoyed the food, the drinks, and the relaxing atmosphere before my flight. The restroom wasn't very spacious, but it was clean and well maintained. There was a slight delay in boarding, but it wasn't too long and was still manageable. Stepping inside the aircraft was the most exciting part of my trip. I knew I was about to enjoy a more private and comfortable journey in business class, and I was looking forward to sipping champagne and other drinks while flying. This aircraft is a Boeing 7879 Dreamliner with a 121 business class seat configuration. One of the best features is that every passenger has direct aisle access, so there's no need to step over anyone to get out of your seat.
Nothing should block the aisle or exits.
離陸・着陸の際は座席とテーブルを元の位置にお戻しください。
Return your seat and table to the original position for takeoff and landing.
ベルト着用
The
Overall, I had a wonderful experience on this flight. From the smooth check-in process and relaxing lounge access to boarding the aircraft, arriving at Haneda Airport and collecting my luggage, everything went seamlessly. The entire journey felt comfortable, safe, and well organized. If I have the opportunity to fly again and can find another good business class fare, I would definitely fly with ANA. The experience truly lived up to my expectations, and I would happily choose them again for my future travels. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more travel videos. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.